Welcome back my friend in my new video, and in this video you can see that I have totally two Samsung smartphone and both Samsung smartphones are logged. This smartphone is Google FRP logged, means I don't have this Gmail ID account details, and in this Samsung smartphone I don't have the pin pattern password lock. Okay, so I am going to unlock all both phones in just only few minutes without any computer and without any system. So let us start this video. So first of all my friends, you can see that this Samsung smartphone is pin pattern password locked. So if your Samsung smartphone is also logged with pin pattern password lock, so you have to hard reset your Samsung smartphone. But after hard resetted your Samsung smartphone, you may face this issue. If you can't remember your Gmail ID account details, then you can't unlock your Samsung smartphone. So in this video I can show you how can you remove your Gmail ID account details from your any Samsung model without any computer in just only few minutes. So go with this method. Okay, first of all you have to go back to the home screen first of all, and you have to connect your data cable with your Samsung smartphone. Okay, when you connected the data cable on your Samsung smartphone, your smartphone will charge showing. Okay, after that you have to open this emergency call option. When you open it, your Samsung smartphone is showing some new pages. Okay, after that you have to type a code here, and the code is *#0*#, and wait for a while. After that a new prompt comes on your mobile screen, so you have to take some important action here. First of all you have to open your version option here, so you have to open it and wait for 3 seconds. 1 2 3 and go back. Okay, then you have to open the blue option here and tap anywhere to go back. Green, you have to open the green option here, tap anywhere to go back, and finally you have to open the red option here and tap anywhere to go back. After that you have to go back to the home screen. After that you have to change your language first to English United Kingdom. Okay, select this and click OK. After that you have to open again your emergency call option on your Samsung smartphone. After that you have to type a secret code here, and the code is *5699*1*010 and 3 and hash, and you have to call this code for once only. When you click call it, the code will be disappear from your Samsung smartphone homepage. After that you have to go back to the home screen, and again you have to change your language to English United States. So you have to find the language and select and click OK. After that you have to configure your smartphone as usual. So I'm going to start this configuration. So follow all the steps here. Click agree, click agree again, and you have to connect your smartphone with mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi network. After that you have to click the next button here and wait for the result. This may take a few time, so you have to wait for this, and you have to click the use my Google account instead and wait for the result. And my friend, this method is not working well in the Samsung smartphone. If your Samsung smartphone is also not working from this method, so you have to use the second method. Okay, so I am going to use a second method, and for this you have to go back to the home screen, and again you have to click the start button here, click agree to all. Okay, and here you have to turn off your nearby devices option. Okay, you have totally two options of nearby devices, so you have to turn off both options here. Okay, after that you have to click more and click agree, and in this page you have to tap add network option here. After that you have to type a message here, and the message is type a skip, and on the password you have to type all passcode, PASSCODE. You can see this, a skip all passcode. After that you have to click save button here, and again you have to tap add network again, and you have to find the setting option here. This is the setting option. So you have to open this setting option, and you have to take some action here. So you have to go down and click the reset to default setting option here. So open it, and here you have to reset all both options here. So you have to you have to click the first option, click reset option, and you have to again select your second option and click erase. Okay, after that you have to wait for a 3 second, 1 2 3, and you have to go back and again go back. After that you have to click the next button here and wait for the result. And my friend, you can see that the skip option has been comes on this Samsung smartphone, means your Gmail ID account credential has been removed from your Samsung smartphone. So you have to click the skip option here. So you have to click the skip option, again a skip, and click don't copy also, and you have to do the configuration as usual. You have to watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock all kind of Samsung smartphone like that. You have to click the skip option here, a skip anyway, a skip, click OK, and do all the configuration as your Samsung smartphone required. So if you seriously want to unlock your any Samsung model, so you have to follow all these steps on your Samsung smartphone. So click next and do all the settings here like that. Click a skip and click finish. Some progression is still pending, so you have to complete this process. You can see that we are almost there. So you have to select your preferred setting here. Don't skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. So watch and follow all the steps here, and finally you will see here your smartphone will unlock like that. So if you have any Samsung model and you can't still unlock your Samsung smartphone, so you have to comment us with subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to you soon within a 5 to 10 minutes. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.